unsuspecting buyers. Today, an animal rights group brought their message of outrage to the store in West Hollywood. It wasn't a large crowd, but those that showed up today had a big message.
All the animals that you buy in these pet stores are just from factories where they're raised in factory-like conditions, where they're crammed into rusty cages, where they're bred and they're bred until they're dead.
Men and women, many with rescued dogs in tow, protested in front of Elite Animals, a pet store in West Hollywood. A group called Companion Animal Protection Society claims they have proof the store is selling dogs from puppy mills.
They're duping customers.
Davis goes on to say they have done an undercover investigation in the Midwest where they claim the store gets their dogs.
The mills that the dogs that they sell are from are some of the worst that we've ever seen.
Doctor and author Jana Cole explained to KTLA that this is happening around the country, not just here. The dog she's holding, named Baby, was rescued from a puppy mill and is now getting national attention.
Baby was locked in a cage for 8 years. Her front leg had to be amputated.
She also says the mills tattooed Baby with a number, 94. Cole saying that was Baby's breeder number.
People need to understand that. So when they buy a cute dog, a cute little puppy at a pet store, they need to know that that puppy's mother, like Baby, is tortured 24/7.
We put in several calls to the owner of Elite Animals and left messages with an employee hoping for their side of the story. The manager was unavailable for comment. We did speak tonight to West Hollywood Councilmember Jeff Prang. He says they have had talks about a potential ordinance to make it illegal for stores to sell dogs from puppy mills, but that nothing formal has been proposed. He also says the city doesn't have any concrete information about this particular pet store doing anything illegal.
President Obama will